Hey there, is your face swollen? Well, stay here and I'll show you the best Japanese massage Tanaka for a swollen face. I'm sure you're curious about the Tanaka Japanese technique. However, before we delve into it, let's do a brief overview. Do you recall the lymphatic drainage massage in Star Trek? It is crucial to remember that it is done without using any oil. Very important, no oil. How to do it? Place your fingers here and remember to go about to the end. Understood? Apply gentle pressure inwards on them, directing towards the face, as we'll focus treatment on the swollen face to diminish the swelling. To alleviate the swelling, let's begin with some movement, repeating the action around 20 instances. Okay? Here, without displacement. Up and down, it's a lymphatic massage to primarily drain and get moving. And this is your first massage for swelling. Now we're going to perform the Tanaka massage, an innovative technique developed by Yukuko Tanaka, or it has also been called Zogan, which means in Japanese, formulate a face for you to comprehend and gain acquaintance with. What is the correct way to initiate this massage? We will begin by using oil, and it's crucial to determine which finger we will employ. Are we using this finger? The ring finger. Alright? So, put oil on these two fingers, okay? Just a bit. One will do. One to place on the other finger. Okay? Please be careful and avoid touching the eyes during the massage. We can now begin. How would you like the massage to feel in the beginning? Watch carefully as I demonstrate, alright? And remember, be cautious not to go near the tear ducts. I'm going here. And it should be deep. Got it? I go to the temples, then lower. I continue along the line to the collarbones. When I reach the neck, I obviously relax and press less. Okay? Deep and focused. Let's do it once more. Please come with me. We're going to repeat it approximately 15 times with a rough estimation. Here until the temples, we make a small circle, then go down. Here I loosen up a bit more. And I descend. That's the first part of the massage. Now for the second part of the Tanaka massage. With these same fingers, okay? With these, alright? Instead of here, we'll place them lower, okay? At the nose flares, we start here. Okay? And I going up, going down. Got it? Below the cheekbones, meaning under the bone, okay? Just like that. We go a bit higher. We reach the temples, create a circle, and down. Ruben, I understand how challenging it is for you. Even for me, it's not easy to do it 15 times. Let's try something different now, without exerting excessive pressure. We can do it right here. Here we can push a bit harder. Got it? Whenever we go through here, we start relaxing at the temples. We continue to press just a little more. And as we go down, again, we let go, okay? We repeat from the nostrils. We go up, an upward movement, over there. We push, then loosen up a bit. We press down with force yet again. We loosen up a bit, and down. 15 times, got it? This one we did, and the last one too. This is the message, Tanaka, to depuff the face. What will we achieve? What benefits will we see? Well, we'll drain the liquids from the face. We'll stimulate the blood flow too. And we will achieve a natural detoxification of the face. And to proceed with the massages, and also, for those of you at home, making things simpler for you as well, we'll do the massage using 2 spoons, right? And now let me introduce our small spoons to you, alright? Occasionally, you inquire whether they must be chilled. Indeed, they must be at a cold temperature. Because if they are feeling chilly, what we do is reduce it slightly, and in this particular situation, we desire to reduce it a bit. If the weather was warm, we would be able to unwind and take it easy. However, we do need to work on improving our fitness a little bit, okay? How about we relieve that puffy face we have? Now let's discuss how we can achieve that. Take a look. We can take a little here. We put a bit on top. Some oil, so the oil doesn't spill. We tap a bit. There. And when we see that the oil stays put, this is almost like cooking, huh? A little. We'll go here, okay? Let's start. We'll do it like in the Tanaka massage in this area, alright? and we're going to elevate, all right? Lift a bit. There, pressing, okay? Here, pressing and upwards, not downwards, okay? Here. We will execute the task 15 times. We mostly push this location, primarily. In this part, as we approach the temples, we can take a moment to unwind and relax a little more. And upwards. This is the classic spoon massage too. Finally, let's not forget the knuckle massage. It will effectively relieve tension in the face. All right, follow me. Look, we're going to put our knuckles here, okay? This one, we start here, okay? This one, there, okay? Join in with the others and notice what we do, all right? We stretch, 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 stretch. We rise up without too much pressure and finish at the forehead. And from the forehead, we transport all of that extra baggage back and forth, discussing and promoting the care and improvement of hair. We have a small amount of blood circulation, understand? We reiterate, we are present. Remember, this one. The others come along. We spin, we spin, we spin, we spin, we spin. And from this spot, if you increase the pace slightly, 6 repetitions should suffice for outward movements, but at this speed, all right? We finish, pay attention. Here, I'll do it a bit quicker. But to show you the turn, there, and without doubt, backwards. All right? To drain and to get rid of that puffy face sensation. In order to address the swelling of the face, it is extremely important. In fact, it is crucial. This is because it aids in reducing overall body swelling, with a particular emphasis on the digestive system. It's a classic point, stomach point 36, Susan Lee. How do we go about finding it? You see, we're down here slightly kneeling, noticing the bone right here, all right? Just beneath it, all right? It's below the kneecap. You come a little here, not directly in front, but to the side, okay? But on this line, here, and with the little one, you say, hey, I feel something here, okay? Go down and start working, okay? We start to make circles in a counterclockwise direction. There. We work. And we'll work on it for about 2 minutes. Keep in mind, you can do it on both sides too, all right? Just because I'm doing it on one side doesn't mean it's only on one side. It's on both. Is that all right with you? We will negotiate the issue here, and the result will be the reduction of inflammation and the enhancement of our digestive system. Hence, it serves 2 purposes at once. To clarify, when rotating, go in a clockwise direction and not the opposite way. I previously made a mistake, so I wanted to make it clear. Remember, clockwise. And keep in mind to do all these exercises to reduce puffiness in the face in the morning. And if you can, at night. But it's more important in the morning. Remember, take a photo first when you start the treatment and 4 weeks later take another photo. You'll see the change. And I also suggest that we already have a wide variety of facial massages. Starting from the glabella, the eyebrow, the double chin. You can also elevate your face a bit. And here you can see them to start doing them. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to healing and beyond.